up guys, Widge the Wiz here. Today I'm going to be working on my 2001 Audi A4. I'm going to show you how to replace coil packs and spark plugs. So sit tight, here are the tools you're going to need.
Step 1 is pretty simple. Open your hood and disconnect your battery. It's a good idea to disconnect your battery anytime you're working with the electrical system or anything connected to the electrical system on your vehicle. Just keep in mind that when you disconnect the battery, you will have to enter in the security code for your OEM radio to get it working again. If you don't have that handy, make sure you find it before trying to do this. You can usually find this in your owner's manual. Next, use your flat blade screwdriver to remove your engine cover. Begin removing your coil pack from cylinder 1. To unplug this, you need to be really careful, as these engines are pretty old at this point, and the plastic tabs that secure the connection to the coil pack are usually pretty weak at this point. As a matter of fact, I actually broke the clip on cylinder 1 here. Next, measure your spark plug gap. This should be 32 thousandths of an inch or 0.81 millimeters. Here's what the old spark plugs look like versus the new ones that I'm putting in. As you can see, there's a much larger gap in the old one as compared to the new one. Use your spark plug socket and extension to start threading in your new spark plug. Once you have done this, use your torque wrench to torque the spark plug down to 22 foot-pounds.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully now you know how to change your coil packs and your spark plugs on your Audi A4. Do it yourself, save some money. If you found this tutorial helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow, and I will see you next time.